If you want to play GTA 5 on your PC but don't know where to download it safely, this video is exactly what you need. I'll show you the official download method step by step so you can avoid fake websites, scams, and installation problems. Let's get started. Now, open any web browser, head to the search bar, and type in GTA 5. Here is a quick heads up. Using Grand Theft Auto 5 instead of GTA 5 can give you more accurate results. Scroll down the search results until you find the official Rockstar Games link for Grand Theft Auto 5. Always verify that rockstargames.com is in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Here is a critical warning. The first few results are often ads, so always check the web address before clicking. On the official page, scroll down to the Buy Now section, click Select Platform, and choose PC. Here is a common mistake. Accidentally picking PlayStation or Xbox means you won't be able to play on your computer. Click the Buy Now button. You will be redirected to sign in with your account details and fill out your billing method to complete the download.